So what do you think of Salt Spring Island?
It's nice.
In this video, I just wanted to share with the world some ideas on how they can start their own business, right? I just want to share with you 7 tips that will help you start a photography or videography business. So the first step is you need a camera, whether it's your smartphone camera or an actual mirrorless or DSLR camera, you just need a camera. You have to have a camera. Whether you're buying a new camera or using your smartphone, you just have to start, somewhere. You have to start with some gear. You don't need lights. You don't need all those fancy equipment. Step number 2 is you need to start taking pictures. Start creating a portfolio for yourself. And you don't need models. You don't need people to actually, model for you or just be around you. You can just start by taking nature photography, car photography. You need to learn how to use those cameras. If you have a smartphone camera, start using the raw settings in the camera setup. If you have a DSLR, start going through YouTube and just learning how to use that camera. And then step number 3 is now you need to start sharing those things. You need to start putting it out there on social media, letting people see that you have something, and you need to start learning how to even use the editing software. So that's step number 4. Now we're at number 4. We're moving real fast, right? Step number 4 is learn how to use editing softwares to edit videos, to edit pictures, to edit all these things.
Yeah.
And then you're putting it out there and you're improving your skills because you're putting it out there on social media where people are very critical of other people's work, right? And then step number 5, you need to learn how to edit those pictures in a style that you like. You might not get there, you might not even create your own style, but you just need to just go out there and start creating. You now need to start telling people that you're a photographer. Start advertising yourself. And this is one thing that I was really, really bad at. I sucked at marketing myself. But Lucia over there was really good. By the way, she's the one who's behind the camera. She's doing a really good job. So thumbs up to my sponsor there. The 7th and last step is start charging people. Start telling them your prices. Now that people are now paying you, now you have what we call a photography or videography business. And that's the end. Those are the 7 tips. We shot this whole entire video whilst we were on Salt Spring Island. So it was really awesome, and I have a next video coming up from Salt Spring Island. I just invite you to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that. That video will be coming out next week or the week after that. So thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. I wanted to do a video of just telling people how, oh, there's a seal right there.